Hey guys, this is Japan Monster channel. Today I'm going to introduce how to cook the shabushabu. Shabushabu is dipping the raw pork into the boiling water and put some vegetable as well. When you eat the pork, I recommend to try the sesame sauce. And for the vegetable, I recommend to try eating with the ponzu sauce. Ponzu sauce is mixing up with citrus juice and the Japanese made soy sauce. Yeah, I will quickly introduce the standard way of cooking the shabu shabu. Hope you enjoy today's video.
These are the ingredients for the shabu shabu. This one is a mizuna, the pot herb mustard, and this one is a Chinese cabbage, and this is spring onions. And if you like on the light one, add the fish cake and the dumpling. Lastly, these are the tofu. And this is the main ingredients, pork. To make the soup, you need to have the soup stock sauce, fish powder. I'm going to make the dipping sauces. This is a ponzu sauce and the spring onion. It's good for the vegetables. Next one is sesame sauce with paste of garlic. It really matches with pork. I'm gonna prepare making the soup stock first. On the fish powder, add the water, then boil. The rice is ready. This is not standard rice. I like to eat brown rice because it's healthy. The water color is changed. I guess the soup stock is ready. I'm going to put some the vegetable next. Compare with meat, vegetable take more time to get cooked. So I'm gonna start cooking from the vegetables. If I cook the meat first, scum will be appeared, so it's better to cook the vegetable and eat them first. I guess I put too much vegetables, it overflowing. Vegetable on the top is not sinking the water, so to get cooked, I'm gonna put the lid on. Vegetable gets transparent, so it's ready to eat. I'm gonna dip in the ponzu sauce to eat them. To scoop up the tofu, it's better to use this tool. If you use the chopstick, tofu will be broken. after I cook all the vegetables, I'm gonna start cooking the pork. In few seconds, pork will get cooked immediately. If you think the water too long, it gets harder too much. I really recommend to eat with sesame sauce with garlic. If you like, you can try the pond sauce as well. Feels like I wanna eat the several porks at the same time, so I'm gonna cook them at once. It's all stuck together, so I have to shake them off one by one. Sesame sauce, garlic paste, and eating with rice is the best combination of shabushabu. The Japanese hot pot. That's all the how to cook the shabushabu. I'm gonna keep uploading the how to cook Japanese dishes related video. So if you could subscribe my channel, that will be great. I will see you soon. Bye.